Hey. All right, you guys. So I am trying my hand at something new. Not new to you probably, but new to me. Glitter ornaments. I have just always wanted to try them. I've never really messed with ornaments other than whenever I was in, I think, elementary, and we poured paint in them and swirled them around and thought that was the coolest thing ever. But I've made a few already, and I used my Crystal-Lac Grand Finale to do these. They turned out pretty well. These are just both done with Glitter Heart Co.'s 2.0, hold on. Diamonds 2.0 from Glitter Heart Co. You can see how sparkly and shiny they are. This is just like super fine and one of my absolute favorite glitters. And then I did this one. With Maker Flow Pumpkin Spice Chunky Glitter, and I just had a hard time getting the chunky to stick with the Grand Finale, so I ended up pouring some of their holographic fine mix pumpkin spice in there, and it's fine, it's still drying, but I remembered I have polyacrylic from wood projects that I do, and so I'm gonna switch over and do a few using the polyacrylic, and hopefully they work out really well. Okay, and as you can see, I'm just getting my polyacrylic opened up, and I've got these little plastic cups from the dollar store that I've had forever, so I'm putting them to good use today, just pouring some into one of these cups, and then I am also going to be using these same little cups and some painter's tape to create little drain racks. Thought that was just pretty simple and easy, and it works really well. You'll see here in just a little bit. All right, so now it is time to pour into my ornaments. Again, wasn't sure how much I needed. Gonna be making quite a few, so that will get used up. And if I don't use it up, I can pour it back in the container. So I'm just shaking them out and then putting them in my drain racks. Repeating the process. These little round ornaments, I wasn't really sure how I was going to decorate them whenever I got started here, but in the end, you're gonna see some fun ones that I made, and I absolutely love how they turned out. I love how all of these turned out. Okay, these have been dripping for just a little bit. I may have waited too long, actually. Hopefully not. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna go with red glitter for this one. This is chili pepper from Maker Flow. Oh, wow, yeah, that is working already so much better than my Grand Finale did. Now I need to choose another color for the round one. Trying to decide. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with NYC, and this is from Glitter and Grand, which is now King's Glitter, I think. It's actually kind of funny because in the end, you'll probably notice that I did not even decorate either the silver one or the red one. I ended up decorating a few of the others that I had made earlier with the Grand Finale. Those were super cool, super easy. I will say the polyacrylic did adhere way better than my Grand Finale whenever I did these with the Diamonds 2.0. All right, so now to cut out some vinyl and put on these. Okay, you guys, forgive me. I have stain all over my hands, so please ignore that. I've been working on some wood projects outside. So most of you probably know that whenever you're putting vinyl on a curved surface, you really have to work with it and play with it. You'll see me use my craft knife and kind of lift some of the pieces up and maneuver. I'm kind of just removing some of the shaded parts that I didn't like after I got it on here. I just wanted it to have an outline. But again, lifting, I actually cut a few pieces on maybe the next ornament or the other side and get it all to lay flat and fit. I probably wouldn't choose to use this super wide ribbon for too terribly many of them, but I thought it was really sweet, a big puffy bow at the top of this Merry Christmas one. I do plan to get some thinner ribbon for the rest of the ornaments that I'm going to be making. Here I'm just using some twine or jute to make a little hanger, and then I am hot gluing my bow onto the little loop. I think this turned out so super cute and sweet. I love the fact that you can totally customize these, make them your own, customize them for your friends and family. They make great gifts, or even if you are setting up at a vendor event, these are super great if someone just needs a quick gift for a friend, or maybe baby's first Christmas, or an ornament exchange, or anything like that. So I hope you had fun watching me make these, and I hope that you will jump in and give it a try. And really quickly, I'd like to show you the others that I ended up making. I absolutely love these. They're so much fun, and again, so incredibly easy and special. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know if you've tried the glitter ornaments or just what you think about these.